Hi, I'm Valerie Tutson, and I'm excited to share with you Animal Kingdom, Alphabet Stories by Judy Mendes, with music by Lon E Plynton. A. Anteater. Alert! The hungry anteater is outside. I suggest we run and hide. B. Bugs. Butterfly was at bat, taking aim. A bee zoomed by, interrupting the game. Out of the crowd there was a shout. 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out. C. Chipmunks. Babies are to be cherished and cuddled and are oh so cute, with a curious nature in happy pursuit. D. Dragonflies. It's a delightful day to go outside and discover dragonflies. E. Elephant. It's an enchanting time to stay inside, escape with Ellie, and close your eyes. F. Fireflies. Felicia finds Freddie fascinated by the fireflies. G. Groundhog. When in the garden, it's good to know to always give thanks, and great things will grow. Of the two animals watching, which seeks its shadow? H. Hamsters. With helping hands everywhere, everybody do your share. I. Iguana. Two iguanas are having a conversation about using one's imagination. If I could look into your mind, what would I see? Me, ice skating on a frozen pond, impressively. J. Jaguar. Jump for joy like Judy the Jaguar and Jackie the Jackrabbit. For the two of them, jumping has become a habit. K. Kangaroo. Everybody gather around to view the main attraction, the kicking kangaroo. L. Ladybugs. Leslie licks a lollipop while sitting in a tree. Lizard looks at ladybugs when asked, "Why are you looking at me?" M. Monkeys. Two monkeys are walking on a limb. Their sister above is babysitting them. The look on her face shows the thought she is keeping. Please don't wake Mom from sleeping. N. Nurse Shark. Nina and Nanny are unaware of the nurse shark over there. If they knew the shark was near, they would quickly disappear. O. Owl. Ollie the owl looks, and who does he see? P. Panda. Peter Panda eating a pickle underneath the palm tree. Q. Quail. Today we discuss the tale of a quail. The tale of a quail. A cute little bird, instead of being seen, it is heard. Quick and quacking, and it hides, using earth-toned feathers as a disguise. Makes its nest on the ground, laying colorful eggs, hoping not to be found. R. Rats. Rats rally down the road in unity, seeking their rights for opportunity. S. Snail. Sitting in the sandbox and feeling good is smiling sassy in the neighborhood. Slime the snail slowly slides over to the other side. T. Tortoise. Tyrone the tortoise anticipates meeting a new friend as he patiently waits. U. Umbrella bird. What's that? Haven't you ever heard of an umbrella bird? No? How cool. Can we take it to school? V. Vampire bat. We should head home. It's getting late. The bats are out. Time to vacate. W. Worm. Willie the worm wants to know which way he should go. X. Xray fish. Y. Yellowtail snapper. Xena excitedly got her wish to swim by herself in the ocean with fish. Z. Zebra. From us three over here by the tree to you two over there unaware, check out the one who is new at the zoo. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you enjoyed this story.